So today we've got this lovely Jaguar XFR 5 litre V8 supercharged in, and that symbolises a very worn supercharger coupler, that much play. So here's our larger uprated and dynamic and balanced performance Wraptor pulley, tune-up complete. Now it's time to add some vinyl graphics. Snout removed, and this is the coupler here. This is generally the first thing to fail and wear, and then it can wear grooves into this shaft as well, which has done pretty bad on this one, so we may refurbish this piece. Okay, so with the supercharger strips we'll have a little feel of the wear and tear, the play of the bearings inside here. There's a little bit of up and down movement on the front there, so if I were to replace these that would go and it may run quieter. There's no obvious back and forward movement on the shafts on the two rotors, which is good news, because that would symbolise the bearings worn in the back here, which you cannot change, so it's a replacement supercharger if they're worn. There is a little gearbox in the back here, and we do have the ability to completely remove this and replace the oil if you so wish as well. So this is the snout. It contains a shaft, a bearing here and a bearing here, and then the coupler that we're going to replace sits on here. We could replace these two bearings at the same time as installing a refurbished shaft that doesn't have these grooves worn into it. So those grooves won't be there to rub on the new coupler and potentially wear that prematurely. So that's what I'd recommend. So here we have our refurbished snout, two new bearings, reconditioned shaft that no longer has any grooves worn into it, Wraptor Uprated stainless steel pulley, cleaned out housing, cleaned mating surface, ready for some fresh sealant, and a new sprung coupler ready to go on there. Refurbished snout installed with new pulley. No play. So just checking these pulleys while the belt's off here, and this one's got a bit of wear in it, so if you try and spin that, look, it soon stops and there's little or no play. That one there's obvious play, and then spins and spins and spins and spins and spins because it's getting quite worn. So I'd advise that gets changed at some point soon, that little pulley there. It's just an idler pulley.